visions of Van Gogh flight, violin mosquitoes scoring the orchestra sky, and the night fragrance of citrus blooms carries on covertly beneath the telescope moon. We're lonely detectives in the summer's night, scanning the universe for signs of life, some meaning to hang on to, some illusions to help us get through. The Florida dome just got lit by a flaming, falling galactic ship. Another world just touched down, gliding over that grinding sound. Amateur astronomers here below, the saints and wishers who long to know. Conducting flares on highway cars, Galileo stars can't say who we are. Equations tell us what we know. Some of us will always be alone. Amateur astronomers here below, the saints and wishers who long to know. You're long gone, but Bartram's here again, catching holy embers where righteous crickets string. Reflections dancing while the live oaks sigh, diesel trucks humming to the water's eyes. I just saw 1,000 comets fall, and I still dream about that summer and dawn. Though I couldn't wish you well tonight, I'm still searching for signs.